Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Now our group will present about implementation of business process management. Okay, what is business process management? Business process management is part of operation management that examines the improvement of company performance to achieve business processes that are managed optimally, or in other words as process optimization process. Okay, what is benefit of business process management? The first one is improve business ability. Companies need to develop their business process to keep pace with changing market condition. An efficient BPM allows company to pause business process, make change, and run them again. This method was chosen so that the company can ensure that the business process carried out remain on the right track and can adapt to changing situation. And the next is reduce costs and increase profits. The use of BPM in a company can bring various positive impact on the company, such as cutting costs related to the business process and improving the quality of performance and productivity of employees. So the next one is increase efficiency. The implementation of BPM will increase the efficiency of business process rapidly. This can happen because the company business process are integrated from the beginning to the end of the process. A company, a company will automatically obtain information about the parties responsible for each process so that the monitoring and controlling tasks can be carried out more easily. And the next is better visibility. The BPM system utilities software program make business process can be automated. This method allows company to see and assess the performance of business process in real time. Okay, the next and the last one is increase obedience, safety, and security. A complete BPM system will ensure the company is always within the applicable legal standard and corridor. BPM is also supported by the implementation of security and safety standard for all its employees. Okay, the next slide is BPM life cycle phases. There are six life cycle. So what does that mean, BPM life cycle? BPM life cycle is a six-phase iterative collection of operation. It is a constant and cyclical process that should ideally be ingrained in a company culture so that every supplier, employee, and management consider know how to implement the process with which they are involved. And the first phase of BPM lifecycle is analyze. The analyst will highlight areas that need improvement and assist you in understanding how the change process will affect the overall performance of the company. And after analyze is design. After we have discovered some areas for improvement, we may start brainstorming ideas on how to enhance and optimize the process with designing. Okay, and after design pass is model. This phase is important for refining our design ideas and turning our concept into actionable change. And after model, that is implement. Once the modeling has shown that the suggested changes have a beneficial influence on the process and the organization as a whole, it is time to put our ideas into action. And after implementing is monitor and control. Once our process is in a place, we must monitor and regulate it to verify that it is functioning effectively. The software will should be able to inform us when a process began, what the current state of the process is, who is working on the process, if the process is operating on time, and so on. And the last one is refine and improve. Once our implementation has been successfully finished, it is time to restart from the beginning, constantly looking for method to improve is an important component of BPM. Okay, that's my presentation. Next slide will be presented by my friend. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, my name is Adiel Sitohang and I will continue Rangga's presentation about implementation of BPM at PT PJB Services. Okay, the first one is process architecture. The process architecture is an organization way of establishing a set of rules, principles, models for the implementation of business process management throughout the organization. The second one is Launchpad. In this phase, the scope and boundaries of the project will be identified and determine the design criteria and initiate the project. Driving forces behind process innovation in project we are divided to three, which is must change, wants change, and can change. Okay, the second one is understand. In this phase, the project team has to understood sufficiently about the circumstances or environment of the ongoing business process. This is so that the innovation phase can be done. Determining future process priorities as a basis for measurement of improvement and selection in the innovate phase refers to the American Productivity and Quality Center, or APQC, as an organization that provides leading management practice references. The fourth one is innovate. Those involved in this phase are not only the project and business teams but also involve the stakeholders both internally and externally. In this phase, additional metrics are created that are used to compare metrics previously set in the understand phase. Feature process selection matrix. This process is created to explain the existence of some change and additions to the current process. The fifth one is people. This phase aims to ensure that all the activities, roles, and tasks measurement are in accordance with the organization's strategy and process objectives. The sixth one is develop. This phase consists of developing all the components for the implementation of the new process. It also involves testing software and hardware. And last but not least is implement. This phase is the phase where all the improvement process that have been designed and developed will be carried out. The decision to implement will have an impact on so many aspects of the project, such as how processes are designed or redesigned, how development and testing can be carried out, and so on. Okay, thank you for listening to our presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.